Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 6th, 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Bitcoin has experienced a significant drop, falling 16.53% in the past 24 hours to below $50,000, marking its lowest level since February. Ether also saw a steep decline, dropping 23.75% to trade under $2,200, its lowest since January. This downturn is part of a broader crypto market sell-off, with the entire market down 18.2% in the same period. Other major cryptocurrencies, such as BNB and XRP, also faced substantial losses, with declines of 22.8% and 19.8% respectively. Analysts attribute the declines to several factors, including disappointing US payroll numbers that heightened recession fears and a global stock market sell-off, particularly after Japan's Nikkei 225 index dropped about 7%. Additionally, Jump Crypto's movement of hundreds of millions in crypto assets has raised concerns about potential liquidation amid a U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission investigation. The upcoming U.S. presidential election adds another layer of uncertainty, as Vice President Kamala Harris's approval ratings have risen, potentially impacting crypto policies. While Trump is seen as a pro-crypto candidate, Harris's campaign has begun to engage more with the crypto community. Investors are now looking for clarity on the jump trading situation and the election's implications for the market. Overall, the current market sentiment is cautious, with many awaiting potential dip buying opportunities. Consumer advocacy group Public Citizen and crypto critic Molly White have filed a complaint with the Federal Elections Commission, FEC, alleging that Coinbase violated campaign finance laws. The complaint claims that Coinbase donated $25 million to the Fairshake Super PAC while simultaneously negotiating a contract with the U.S. Department of Justice, DOJ. This contract involves the U.S. Marshals Service, which recently awarded Coinbase a $32.5 million deal for asset custody services. Public Citizen argues that this situation constitutes a violation of the Federal Election Campaign Act, which prohibits federal contractors from making political contributions. Rick Claypool, a research director at Public Citizen, criticized Coinbase's actions as particularly egregious, highlighting the company's significant contributions in light of the Supreme Court's Citizens United ruling that allows unlimited corporate spending in elections. Coinbase's chief legal officer, Paul Grewal, has countered the allegations, asserting that Coinbase is not a federal contractor and that the funds received from the U.S. Marshals Service are not appropriated funds. In a supplemental filing, White and Claypool argue that Coinbase is indeed a federal contractor because the funds for the contract come from a congressional appropriation. Grewal has also pointed out that Coinbase has made equal donations to both Democratic and Republican super PACs, suggesting that the complaint reflects a political bias rather than legal violations. The situation underscores the growing intersection of cryptocurrency and political financing as the 2024 election approaches. Brevis is a newly launched ZK coprocessor that allows smart contracts to access historical on-chain data from supported blockchains, enabling developers to create data-driven decentralized applications, dApps. It operates through a three-part system: a data access module for specifying required data, an app circuit for computation logic, and an app contract for processing results. The Brevis architecture facilitates the generation of zero-knowledge (ZK) proofs to validate computations and data retrieval, enhancing trust and security in dApp operations. The Brevis cochain introduces a proposed challenge mechanism to improve efficiency and reduce costs associated with proof generation. In this model, validators generate results based on archival data, and a challenge window allows observers to contest these results, promoting accountability among validators. Successful challenges result in penalties for malicious actors, while the challenger is rewarded. Coinbase supports Brevis through its eigenlayer operator, encouraging users who have restaked ETH or LSTs to delegate to Coinbase's operator. The Brevis system is designed to evolve into a decentralized prover network, further enhancing its capabilities. Developers can leverage Brevis to implement features like liquidity management and reputation systems in their dApps. Overall, Brevis aims to empower developers with innovative tools for building secure, and efficient blockchain applications. The thread by @EthereumIntern discusses various innovative rollups in the Ethereum ecosystem, highlighting their technological and cultural distinctions. One notable rollup is Inshallah, which focuses on creating an environment for on-chain halal finance, ensuring that its validators do not engage in haram transactions. Another rollup, Redstone Chain, is designed for low-value applications like on-chain games, utilizing off-chain data availability unless disputes arise. MegaEth aims to achieve extremely high transaction speeds and low latency, while Tyco employs Ethereum's validators for transaction sequencing, promoting a decentralized approach. The thread also mentions Gasp, a cross-chain decentralized exchange that eliminates minor extractable value, MEV, and Fluent, which supports multiple execution environments for diverse applications. Eclipse allows Solana developers to port their dApps to Ethereum, while Optimism is recognized for its unique governance model that combines democratic and token-based voting. Metal and Kinto focus on compliance and regulation, catering to financial institutions. Lastly, Avo is a derivatives exchange designed for a seamless user experience, all while being secured by Ethereum. The thread concludes with a call to explore these projects further. Matt Hugan addresses a common question from professional investors regarding the value of Bitcoin, which does not produce cash flows. He explains that Bitcoin provides a service, the secure storage of wealth in a digital format without reliance on banks or governments. Unlike traditional services, such as Salesforce, which charge fees, Bitcoin requires users to purchase it to access its service. The value of Bitcoin, like any service, is determined by demand. If more people want to use Bitcoin, its value increases, and vice versa. Over the past decade, demand for Bitcoin has surged, leading to a significant price increase of approximately 9,700%. Hugan emphasizes that the lack of a centralized entity means there are no fees collected, but the valuation mechanism remains similar to traditional services. Ultimately, he concludes that Bitcoin's value is driven by demand, and as interest continues to grow, its value is likely to rise further. Ben Leventhal, co-founder of Eater and Reese, is launching a loyalty app called Blackbird, aimed at supporting struggling independent restaurants, which have faced significant challenges since the pandemic. The app incorporates a cryptocurrency called Fly, which users earn by checking into restaurants, with the hope that restaurants will accept it as payment, creating a network of financial circulation among them. Blackbird also features a payment processing system, Blackbird Pay, allowing diners to pay directly through the app, which Leventhal claims is more efficient than traditional systems. Despite the innovative approach, many restaurants are hesitant to adopt the crypto aspect, leading to difficulties for diners in redeeming their earned Fly points. Currently operational in over 150 restaurants, primarily in New York, Blackbird aims to enhance customer loyalty and data collection for restaurants, which often lack sophisticated marketing strategies. While some restaurateurs appreciate the app's ability to track repeat customers, others are skeptical about the utility of Fly, as it cannot be converted to cash. Blackbird has raised $24 million in funding and offers restaurants a subscription model for $89 a month, with lower processing fees compared to traditional credit card systems. However, the app's success hinges on convincing more restaurants to embrace the crypto component, as many remain wary of it. Leventhal acknowledges the mixed reception of the crypto aspect and emphasizes the broader goal of creating a valuable currency for consumers that benefits the restaurant industry. The future of Blackbird will depend on its ability to integrate seamlessly into the dining experience and gain acceptance from both restaurants and diners. Luke Youngblood discusses the scaling challenges faced by Moonwell DeFi, as their community on the base network has grown to over 40,000 wallets in just 3 months. Initially, the team designed a data architecture using GraphQL to capture daily snapshots of user positions and portfolio history, which was well received. However, as the user base expanded, the process of indexing on-chain data became inefficient, taking several hours daily to generate these snapshots. Youngblood highlights the importance of addressing these inefficiencies to maintain user satisfaction and performance. He also reflects on the broader context of challenges in the crypto and DeFi space, while noting the emergence of new ecosystems like Moonbeam Network, which offers unique features such as cross-chain communication and shared security through Polkadot's parachains. This evolution in the Web3 landscape emphasizes the need for innovative solutions to support growing user demands and enhance the overall experience in decentralized finance. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Until next time, stay informed and stay crypto savvy.